What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here, and today we're installing the Honda rear bumper applique on my Honda Fit, or better known as the rear bumper protector. So why am I installing this? Well, last year I loaded a 150cc scooter into the back of my car and I ended up scratching up the rear bumper in the process. I'm hoping this bumper protector helps hide some of those scratches, plus since my car is mostly black and white, I figured it would fit in pretty well. The installation process is actually pretty simple, but make sure to stick around for my 3-month review. So let's get started. This is Honda OEM part number 08P48-T5A-102. Honestly, right out of the box, I'm not super impressed. It's basically a lightly textured piece of black vinyl. I know that's what the online photos showed, but I guess I had been looking at some aftermarket bumper protectors beforehand, which looked a lot thicker and had a bit more texture. This is literally just a pre-cut piece of black vinyl that costs around $75. But anyway, let's move on with the install. Before applying the rear bumper applique, we'll be using this applied alcohol pad to clean off any dirt and debris. I actually missed a small drop of tree sap during the cleaning, and later you could see a tiny bump underneath the protector. Once the bumper was cleaned and prepped, I taped off both sides of the bumper to help center the piece of vinyl. I realized this wasn't really necessary since there was a perforated center cut in the vinyl that lines up perfectly with the tailgate latch. So remove the center backing strip from the vinyl and line it up with the tailgate latch. Once it's centered, firmly press the vinyl down onto the bumper using the included applicator. From there, work from the center outward while slowly peeling away the backing as you go. With the top section complete, carefully work the applicator around the rounded edge of the bumper. And that's it. The installation is now complete. 3-month review. I just added this. I don't know how I feel about it. Probably gonna leave it on for a year and then take it off. Doesn't go well with the green. Alright, so I originally bought this to help hide some existing scratches on the bumper, and I thought it would look good on my car since it was mostly black and white at the time. But now since I've added some green graphics to the sides, I'm honestly not too sure how I feel about it anymore. I think it would look a lot better if the protector was about an inch shorter and only covered the flat section of the bumper instead of wrapping over the rounded edge. I might try trimming it myself, or I may even remove it completely and experiment with some skateboard grip tape instead. I'd also like to mention that I can still see the lines on the vinyl from where the pre-cut backing was attached to the back. So it looks like the perforated line cuts have disappeared over time, but right here you can see the 2 bumps of the tree sap that I didn't fully remove. And now it's time for my final thoughts. I don't completely hate the look. Depending on your car, color scheme, it may or may not fit the overall vibe of your vehicle. But one thing I can say for sure, it's definitely not worth the $70 price tag or even the $50 sale price. So that's going to wrap up today's video. Until the next install, stay tuned and stay fit.